Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're doing a haul, a beauty haul, a Stylevana haul. I got few items from their website, so if you want to see what I got in there, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, lovelies, and thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. Before I start, lovelies, I'm really sorry for my background, for the lightning, but I'm filming it in the late afternoon, almost evening now. It's almost 7. No, it's almost 6 o'clock in the evening. This is the time that I can film at the moment because I've been busy with school, with work, and everything. So I'm really sorry for my absence in here. But yeah, I'll do videos when I can. Bear with me, I will be there, but at the moment I have really full on my hands. So yes, as I said before, we're doing a Stylevana haul. So if you're new to the Stylevana, a beauty website that you can purchase Korean beauty products from skincare to makeup, but I found also that they are doing Japanese beauty products. So if you want to check it out, I will pop down below the link, all the info and all the products that I will mention today. I will pop down below, and I'm using my phone at the moment because my camera is acting weird, so I can't do my research when I talk about this product. But the link of all these products will be in the description box below. So it came with this box, as you can see, with all the bubble wrap. It's very like packed really well with all this bubble wrap, and I can guarantee, lovelies, that this website, they sell authentic Korean beauty products because I purchased many times from them. I did also advent calendar, unboxing, Stylevana. So if you want to check it out, I will pop in here. So yes, I bought many times on Stylevana website, and their shipping fee, when the product is available, they ship really quickly. 5 working days or less, they all come to me. So yes, and as if you follow me for a while, you know that I love Korean beauty products. Most of my skincare step or makeup are from Korea because I found them that they really worked on my skin. So yeah, let's stop talking. I've been talking for 5 minutes, and let's talk about this product that I've got in this lovely bubble wrap. So the first product I have here, it's massive. This is from Anwa Heart Leaf 77% soothing toner. It has 77%. Keep things simple. I love that. And yeah, there's no description. It has the seal, as you can see. I really like that they put sealed on, but it takes me a while to open them. So this is the product. It has 250 ml. It has the seal too. It doesn't have any smell. That's the good thing about Korean products, lovelies. They don't have really a smell. So if you like sensitive skin, this product are really good. And the next product we have here, this is from Purito. This has 80 ml. This is for dry and sensitive skin, so it's perfect for me. It's what it is the Dermide Sika Barrier Sleeping Pack. I love sleeping products like sleeping skincare. And this is the Squalane plus Panthenol Nourishing Hydration. Non-stick and lightweight, this creamy sleeping pack protects the skin from overnight water loss with skin identical ingredients. It helps refill moist, soft, and plump skin the way beauty sleep would. It has the seal as always, and it does look like this inside. Let me try with you, lovelies. It has the seal too, the product. Looks like this, very like light cream. It's not really a thick consistency. Ooh, it doesn't smell of anything. Don't know why I'm showing you, lovelies, but yeah, it has lightweight texture, but it's quite like very hydrating cream. As you can see, it dries really quickly. As you can see, it really dry, and it doesn't smell of anything. I really enjoyed using this kind of product. I don't use anymore like night cream because I don't really find them effective on my skin. I'm using sleeping cream like this one from Course Ultimate Nourishing Rice Overnight Spa Mask. This one says mask, but I use every night after I cleanse, and after I toner I use this one only, and it works wonderful on my skin. So yes, I can't wait to try this one on my face. The next one we have, this is from by Wish Trend Vitamin A Amazing Bakuchiol Night Cream. Here we go. This one, it says a night cream that contains retinol and bakuchiol, which helps to revitalize and smooth out uneven skin texture. Apply one more layer to areas that need intensive care. So this one is perfect when like really have dry skin, I think. Yeah, it says after cleansing in the evening, apply an adequate amount during the cream step. So yeah, I never heard from this brand, so we'll see. And then the next one we have here from Unique, I love this brand, the Propolis Vitamin Eye Cream for Eye and Face Intensive Wrinkle Care, Advanced Anti-Aging, Improve Elasticity. It has the seal that it means it's authentic. You see, it takes me like forever to open this. Looks like that. That's a seal. It doesn't smell of anything. So yes, and then the next one I have here from Some by Me. This is the Vitan Hyal Air Fit Sun Cream Broad Spectrum SPF 50. This one, a lightweight sunscreen, protects sensitive skin from UV ray and soothe irritated skin with niacinamide. And as I said, lovelies, I love sunscreen from Korean brands because they are very lightweight. They are not very like sticky at all. It lasts throughout the day. I always apply them once a day, and yeah, they don't transfer, they don't leave white cast. So I highly recommend to try sunscreen from Korean brands. So I recommend also to use sunscreen even though it's winter time. You still need sunscreen. And here we go. I love the packaging. Doesn't smell of anything. And yeah, helps prevent sunburn if used as directed with other sun protection measure. Decrease the risk of skin cancer and early skin aging caused by the sun. That's true. I use sunscreen every day, every morning before I put my makeup on. I usually apply sunscreen, and with sunscreen from Korean skincare, I usually apply them top over my makeup, and still alright. And the next one we have here from Yeoju Korea Rice Cream I'm From. It has the seal as always. Here we go, the product. Let's open it. This one has thick consistency. When you open it, it's really a thick one. It's thicker than the other one. So yeah, and it doesn't smell of anything. And the last product that I've got from Stylevana, it's this from Claire's Freshly Juiced Vitamin Drop Pure Vitamin C Essence, Centella Asiatica, Yuzu Extra, Grapefruit Extra. Here we go. I love the packaging. Looks like that. I hope you can see it, lovelies. And it says the vitamin drop is a unique and effective serum formulated with pure vitamin C, stabilized L-ascorbic acid, mildly improves skin tone and texture without harsh irritation. It has 35 ml. So yeah, that's all that I've got, lovelies, from Stylevana. So if you want to check out all this product, I will link down below. And that's all for me, lovelies. What do you think of this product? Have you tried this product before? And have you tried Korean products before? Let me know in the comment below. So that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload a video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye.